G'day, I'm Pete Techman-Comin here at Integrate 2023 in Sydney, and I'm with Rob Mayer from Madison AV. G'day, Rob.
Hey Pete, how are you?
I'm well, yourself?
Very good, very good.
Rob, I came across this product at Infocom this year, and I was very excited about this because it's something very, very different. We see, you come to these shows, whether it's Integrate, ISE, Infocom, you see a lot of displays, and it's the same, it feels like the same, regardless of the manufacturer. But this one really caught my eye. Tell us, what's unique about this display?
Well, the big feature is that it uses no power to hold the image that you see on the screen. So it is what they call e-paper, and once the image is generated, it will stay like that indefinitely with no power required. And it uses a tiny amount of power to refresh the image to something new.
Okay, so it's kind of like same kind of technology like a Kindle.
Exactly.
Kind of thing, that e-ink.
Exactly.
But this is color, because the Kindle is black and white.
60,000 colors, that's right. We can feed images to it through USB, through Wi-Fi, or across the network.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's incredible. And it's stored, so you load up the images, and can it save multiple images?
Yeah, it's got about 16 gigs worth of internal memory, and so the idea is that you tell it how often you want to refresh the image. It takes around 20 seconds to do a refresh of that image, and that's the only time power is ever used for the product.
Wow. Yeah. Okay, so you power it all up, you send the content to it, and then effectively you could actually
walk away. Yeah.
So you don't need any power.
No.
So this would be ideal for situations where you can't get power somewhere.
Exactly.
Right? Maybe a heritage building or something, right?
Yep. Or even we think probably groceries, food, anywhere where you want to have lots of digital billboards, but you don't want the cost of running power constantly to a display to generate, and you're not refreshing the image as regularly as you might for a standard digital signage application.
So it can store multiple images and flip between them.
Yes.
Is there a battery on board?
There is an option for a battery. Yeah. Okay. Otherwise, you can run a power source to it, and that's only in use to refresh the image.
But if you don't have a battery and you don't have power, how long will it last?
Well, we packed this away prior to the show a couple of weeks, and we brought it out of the box, and it looked exactly like you see it here. So it didn't fade at all.
That's incredible.
No degradation.
I think it's great, and the resolution's pretty good too, as well, right?
Yeah. No, it's a really good image, and as long as you've got light in the area, it displays really well. It's a 25-inch diagonal display, and that's the first of its kind for Philips at the moment. We would anticipate that there will be a larger number of sizes and colors available over time.
Yeah, and I see this for, really, really useful for things like a menu board, or even like I know in New York they have digital signage everywhere in all the train stations in the subway. Why do we need to have like LCD there drawing all this power when you can have something like this? And I'm sure over time, I understand that they're a little bit expensive at the moment, but this is actually a prototype. This one here, isn't it?
Yeah, that's exactly right. So it's the first time it's been shown in Australia, and with any of these sort of early adopter products, we just expect to see it come down in price and with more variety available very soon.
Okay, that's incredible. So you guys are the distributors?
We are indeed, yes, for Philips Branels.
So they can, more information? They go to Madison
more
AV?
Information through madisonAV.com.au. We have the product on our website now, and pricing is available, and we expect to see it in market in the next couple of months.